How to prune tomato plants for optimal growth and yield. Tomato plants are essential in many gardens, and pruning is crucial for their optimal growth. This video will guide you through effective pruning methods to enhance your tomato plant's health and fruit production. Pruning involves selectively removing parts of a plant to improve its productivity. For tomato plants, it helps direct energy towards fruiting rather than foliage growth. Pruning benefits include better air circulation, increased sunlight exposure, and focused energy on fruit production, which leads to larger and more abundant tomatoes. There are myths about pruning, such as it being harmful and that all tomato plants need heavy pruning. However, correct pruning promotes healthier growth, and the amount needed varies by plant type. Tomato plants are categorized as determinate and indeterminate. Determinate plants require minimal pruning, while indeterminate plants benefit from regular pruning to manage growth and increase fruit yield. The best time to prune is in the early morning, which helps plants recover during the day. Start pruning when the plant is 12 to 18 inches tall and continue throughout the season. Look for signs like suckers, excessive foliage, and crowded branches to determine if your plant needs pruning. For pruning, you'll need sharp tools, gloves, and a sanitizing solution to prevent disease spread. Always clean your tools before and after each cut. Wear gloves and use sharp tools to protect yourself and ensure clean cuts on your plant. Start by identifying suckers and unwanted growth. Suckers appear in the axils and should be removed early. For larger suckers, use pruners. To improve air circulation and light penetration, remove lower leaves and branches up to the first flower cluster. Advanced techniques include single-stem pruning for staked plants and thinning foliage for high-density planting. For trellised plants, maintain a manageable size and shape through regular pruning. Avoid over-pruning, which can stress the plant, and under-pruning, which can result in tangled growth. Adjust your technique if you notice signs of stress. After pruning, water the plant thoroughly and apply a balanced fertilizer to encourage recovery and growth. Monitor your plant for disease and pests, adjusting your pruning routine based on the plant's response. Pruning helps prevent diseases like blight by improving airflow. Remove diseased parts promptly and check for signs of disease while pruning. Some common concerns include fears that pruning may harm the plant. Regular, correct pruning is beneficial, and the frequency should be adjusted based on the plant's growth. For new gardeners, start with light pruning and increase as you gain more experience. Observe how your plant reacts to develop your pruning skills. Pruning is vital for a healthy and productive tomato garden. By following this guide, you can effectively prune your tomato plants and look forward to a successful harvest. Happy gardening!